Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another video here on the K-Tech channel. And today I'm bringing you the unboxing and first impressions of the RedMagic 11 Air. And RedMagic has jumped on the Air device trend, which are those thinner devices. And they really launched a very thin device with powerful specs, both in terms of processor and battery as well. And the best part is the price of this smartphone. Yeah, it's well below the competition, but we'll see here during the video how it performs. All right, we're gonna do all the tests here for you. As you already know, there will be a purchase link here in the video description. I'll leave the official RedMagic website link so you can buy it. Already in Brazil, tax-free with no problems at all. If there are other stores also delivering this product without taxes, I'll leave them here in the description or they'll show up here on the screen during the video, alright? And for those who dream of having a device like this but are tight on money, you can join the giveaway for it. This version I have here has 16 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes in black, with entries at 4 cents each. I'll also leave the link here in the video description. Remember, shipping and taxes for the winner are paid directly by me, so the winner doesn't have to worry about anything else except waiting at home for the device to arrive. And just so we can get started, don't forget to leave your like, which is very important. Check your subscription to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and share it with everyone too. Alright, now let's go to our unboxing with an initial review and first impressions of another new release, RedMagic 11 Air. Let's go to the video, let's get started. Starting the unboxing, it's a gray box with only the RedMagic logo in red and the Air model name cutting across the side of the box. On the side label, we have the model and the product version. Just a reminder, this is the official global version, already with Brazilian Portuguese from the factory and Google Play Store, Google services as well, all native from the factory. Inside the box, we have an envelope with an ejector pin and an acrylic case right underneath. We immediately see the smartphone and then a charging and data transfer cable, USB Type-C on both ends. And finally, an 80-watt power charger. Now, with the device in hand, all set up, we have a beautiful 6.85-inch flat active matrix organic light emitting diode display with a 144 Hz refresh rate over 1 billion colors and a maximum brightness of 1800 nits. In fact, it's the same screen that comes with its Pro version. It's very beautiful, it feels great in the hand, weighing 207 grams and with a thickness of 8 millimeters. And this transparent back looks really awesome. It's very beautiful, man. The cameras stick out a bit from the back of the device, but they don't get in the way at all. This detail also includes the RedMagic logo lighting up there, man, pulsing. Look how beautiful that is. It definitely deserves that awesome slap on the back. On the right side, there's the power button, volume up and down, the noise cancelling microphone, the L and R touch sensors, and also the air outlet for the cooler. On the top, there's a noise cancelling microphone and an infrared sensor. On the left side, there's a dedicated key for game mode, and at the bottom, there's a small tray. Dual nano SIM card 5G microphone, USB Type-C connection, and stereo sound output. The artificial intelligence that comes installed on it is RedMagic. AI has several features for text and for editing text. It also has a sidebar, so you can send not only images, but also text directly to other apps. And it also has a call assistant, which can translate calls in real time, transcribe them, and so on. And I didn't find any kind of feature for direct photo editing on this device. Okay, you'll have to use Gemini or some other app you want to do the editing in a more manual way. That's it. You won't have any kind of native feature already installed in the app in its camera software. Now, when it comes to battery, that's where things get interesting, my friend. Hold on. It's 7000 mAh of silicon carbon, a slim device with a huge battery. The performance is good, but honestly, a 7000 mAh battery, in the tests I did here, I expected a little more battery life from it. You can see the result from PC Mark. It lasted for 9 hours and 20 minutes running there, so it should deliver about 6 to 7 hours of screen time. And if you spend long periods playing games on the device, because who buys a device like this? It's really for those who enjoy gaming, who want to play all the time, maybe throughout the day at the end of the day. There, you might need to recharge it a bit because then I don't know if the battery will last the whole day. Okay, but that will really depend on each person's usage. Let's go to the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor test, 3 nanometers reaching almost 3,400 points. The temperature reached 40 degrees and it lost 6% battery. Let's run the gameplay footage with it. Now, as I always show you here, Call of Duty Mobile with all the graphics set to maximum. Alright guys, it's awesome. No problems at all. Running smoothly, no issues, very fast responses. The touch on the screen is instant. The processor reacts immediately. You can rest assured with this device, you won't have any problems running whatever you need or want for a long time. It comes with IP54 certification, which means it has surface level water resistance. So don't get the device wet. Keep it as far away from water as possible. As for the operating system, we have RedMagic operating system 11 running on Android 16. The device also features near-field communication connectivity for making contactless payments, and it supports Android Auto as well. Of course, both the fingerprint unlock and the facial unlock work very well. Both of them are very fast. There are also two versions of this device, one with 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage, and another with 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage. Which one do I have here? All of them run with Universal Flash Storage 4.1 memory. And just a reminder, it doesn't support memory expansion. It supports two 5G nano SIM cards, and it also doesn't support eSIM connection. Now let's go to its audio and video test. Let's do it, guys. Maximum volume here. Let's do the audio and video test of the RedMagic 11R at 2160p. Let's turn the brightness up to the maximum. Let's rotate the screen, pinch to zoom. Look at that. The screen is full, completely filled. This is the good part about the camera being under the screen, right? You basically get 100% screen usage here. Very thin bezels. Let's talk about the stereo audio. The audio is very good and the colors are very beautiful too. Guys, the audio and image are spectacular. This screen is the most beautiful thing in the world. It's an amazing screen, very beautiful, and the stereo audio is also very good. Just a reminder that the audio features Snapdragon sound technology, which also brings a very good signature. The audio is excellent. Now let's start talking about cameras. On the front, we have a 16 megapixel camera under the screen, recording at 1080p 30 FPS. Let's take photos and videos with the front camera now. So here we are now, guys. The front camera of the RedMagic 11 has a maximum resolution of full high definition 1080p 30 FPS. The camera is under the screen with no stabilization, no extra features, and the quality drops a lot because of that, since it's under the screen. Let me turn around here so you can get an idea. I came running here because the sky cleared up a little, the rain gave us a break, but it's still there. It hasn't gone away. It's right there, and at any moment it'll come back. So just to be able to show you here how it works, how the cameras work, both the front and rear ones. Here with the RedMagic 11 Air closed, wonderful, another spin for you. That's it, guys. The big problem with this front camera is the usual one. It's under the screen. I know that RedMagic does what it can, tries to improve, but it's still a very limited camera. It's really just a camera for you to say that you have it there. But really, for those who like to play games, for those who want that immersion with games, you really get a different experience. Man, you don't have that little hole on the screen. There's nothing in the way. The device is practically all screen. It looks amazing. So it's something you have to sacrifice for the sake of something else. And there are a lot of opinions. Some people are for it, some are against it. Anyway, I want to know your opinion. What do you think? Is it worth sacrificing the front camera to have a 100% screen or not? Or should we just leave that little hole there, which is fine too, and have a better camera for the device? Comment below. What do you think? And now let's go to the back, where there are two cameras, a main one with 50 megapixels and optical image stabilization, and a second one, an 8 megapixel ultra wide. All of this records at 8K 30 FPS. Let's check out now the photos and videos taken with its rear cameras. So here, guys, now the rear camera of the RedMagic 11R, maximum resolution 8K 30 FPS. Very good. Let's walk a little here, holding it only with my right hand. You can see that the ground here is really uneven. He tries to stabilize a bit. Let's see later. I noticed that it's an electronic stabilization here that it forces. Let's check later after transferring the file to the computer to see the result. Let's see if we can apply a zoom here. You can look up to 10x 10 times, okay? And with a nice stabilization too, really cool 1x. Now let's check the focus here. Very fast, look, really cool, huh? Let's lower it now to 4000 and now 4013. Let's check the focus again. Very fast too. Really good. Let's zoom in here as well. Up to 10x. Okay, maximum zoom. The quality is really good too. Let's head back and walk a bit more. It tries to stabilize here. It's very uneven here. It shakes a lot. But just so you have an idea, Crone, it's still very full. This river, man, it's unbelievable. There's a lot of water, a really impressive amount of water, but that's it. There it is for you. Rear camera of the RedMagic 11R. Now that's a different story, right, man? The rear camera is a whole other thing. The cameras record in 8K at 30 FPS with stabilization, which is impressive and makes them feel completely different from the front camera, almost like a different device. These cameras deliver much better, higher quality results, no question. Now let's move to our final summary. Now with the pros and cons, in my opinion, for this device, starting with the pros. Its price, which is very attractive, and its design, which looks really beautiful. The device is very beautiful, the finish is perfect, its processor is really good, the weight and thickness, the device is very thin and very light, and it has 80-watt turbocharging. A really beautiful screen as well, very good stereo sound too, with Snapdragon sound technology. And for the negative points, there are two here in my opinion. The first one is the battery. Even though it's 7000 mAh, I think it needs to be better optimized. It could deliver much better battery life throughout the day, right? During use. It should have much better autonomy, okay? And also, its front camera, as I told you right under the screen, is a very mediocre camera. Very weak, very basic. But anyway, I want to know your opinion. What did you think of this device? Is it worth it or not? Is it top or not? Comment down below because your opinion is always very important. And before you leave, don't forget to leave your like if you didn't do it at the beginning. Check if you're subscribed to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and share this video with everyone. All right, we're together, guys. Thank you all very much. God bless you. A big hug and see you next time. Thanks, I'm out.